Random question. If I were to hit this shuttle
and take a photo of it mid-flight and ask you how fast it's moving, would you have a clue? Similarly, if I were to show you a video of it flying through the air and ask you where in space it was, you would be equally as confused.
So, where is it and how fast is it moving? The truth is, we don't know, or more specifically, we're going to be uncertain of both of these properties. This is thanks to the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle, a principle that states you can never simultaneously know the exact position and exact momentum of an object. So how exactly does this work? Not being able to measure these two properties doesn't seem that hard.
Look at these two flashing dots. They appear to be moving in sync, but you're not certain because they could fall out of sync the longer you look at them. Now, if they remained in sync for a whole minute, you would have a higher confidence in their frequency. Let's go back to the shuttle from earlier. If we replace the variable of time with space, we get a spatial frequency graph. This gives us a probability curve, essentially showing the probability of finding the shuttle at any given location. The frequency of the wave is directly proportional to the momentum of the shuttle. So you know the probability of the shuttle being at any of these locations is when it's moving at this momentum. But where is the shuttle exactly? To figure this out, we can create what's known as a wave packet. By layering different waves, you can see places where peaks line up to make bigger peaks, and places where peaks and valleys cancel out to create nothing. The more waves we add, the potential location for the shuttle gets decreased, but the more potential momentums we have for the shuttle. This creates what's known as a position-momentum uncertainty relationship.
And this is the concept behind the Heisenberg's uncertainty principle. So what? Is the universe just trying to play tricks on us? Not really. This doesn't imply a lack of knowledge or some sort of limitation. It instead challenges the notion of determinism and introduces a concept of inherent uncertainty at the fundamental level of nature, allowing us to see things in a new light and better understand how to move forward with quantum physics, even helping in the research and development of quantum computers. Perhaps the universe isn't playing a trick on us. Maybe this is just its way of letting us know that it's okay not to know all the answers.